हम क्या करते हैं ना, we guide them because the end of the day our idea is to make an entrepreneur. Let me put it, we want every human being to be an entrepreneur. Let me put it point blank. तो मेरा हम लोग यही कोशिश करते हैं कि अगर वो आ भी गया तो we ask them first of all, see it's like ideas जो होते हैं, see normally क्या होता है कि we expect that he should come with his plan. See end of the day अगर मैंने कोई idea दिया, it will be not your baby, okay? So तो वो क्या होता है, वो belongingness नहीं देता है जब when you grow. तो I personally feel that we nurture them, we talk to them, we understand them and we give all the inputs कि आपके लिए क्या benefits हैं. तो believe me, at some point of time they start gathering information and they become an entrepreneur.
So now, when you're talking about like the full automation, so you're helping people out in terms of getting the softwares, the websites, and mobile apps for for whatever that is. So that's really great. And how do you process this particular thing? So let's say, for example, if I come to you, right, and I have no idea, मेरे पास शायद से थोड़ा savings है, पैसा है, but I don't know what kind of business that I want to do.
Okay.
मैं आपको कहूँगा सर मेरे पास तो 5 लाख रुपए पड़े हुए हैं, मुझे कुछ बिजनेस करना है. So would you also guide them कि ये 5 लाख रुपए का आप ये बिजनेस कर सकते हो, ये प्रोडक्ट यहाँ से लेके यहाँ बेच सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ अपने पास स्कीम है क्या?
See, I'll just tell you again, this doesn't come under purview of the schemes, but as I said, हम किसी को ऐसे खाली हाथ भेजते भी नहीं.
Okay.
So it all depends, क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं ना, we guide them. Because the end of the day, our idea is to make an entrepreneur. Let me put it, we want every human being to be an entrepreneur. Let me put it point blank. तो मेरा हम लोग यही कोशिश करते हैं कि अगर वो आ भी गया तो we ask them. First of all, see, it's like, ideas जो होते हैं, see, normally क्या होता है कि we expect that he should come with his plan. Okay. Let me tell you this very good example. एक इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट हो गया, बट ही हैड अ ड्रीम टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर बाय हिमसेल्फ. तो वो आया और उसके पास कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है, he doesn't know what to do, but he want to become an entrepreneur. So he came and he said that, sir, मेरे को ऐसा बनना है, तो आप कुछ बता सकते हैं क्या? तो what he sat with me and I elaborated to him what are the types of business, blah 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 blah, in today's scenario, and he has fair knowledge about what's going on. He knows everything, like machine learning, then artificial intelligence, everything he knows about it. So he is very particular कि मेरे को इसी में करना है, ये करना है. तो end of the day, again we funnel it down. तो हम कोशिश यही करते हैं कि ना आपसे ही वो आए कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं. So this is what I'm talking. See, end of the day, अगर मैंने कोई आइडिया दिया, it will be not your baby. Okay. So तो वो क्या होता है, वो belongingness नहीं देता है जब when you grow. तो I personally feel that we nurture them, we talk to them, we understand them, and we give all the inputs कि आपके लिए क्या benefits हैं. तो believe me, at some point of time they start gathering information and they become an entrepreneur. तो ऐसे भी cases काफी है हमारे पास जिनको हमने वाकई में बोला and really they started something. So what I can tell you is कि अगर आपके पास कोई आइडिया, एक दो तो आइडिया लेके आता है कि मेरे को ऐसा, एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एक थंब रूल के हिसाब से मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आपका जो एक्सपर्टीज होता है या जो आपने पढ़ा है, तो उसमें अगर आप करें तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ना यू कैन रियली डू गुड बिकॉज
फाइंड योर पैशन.
दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज देयर आर अदर केस. और भी एक केस है मेरे पास, एक्चुअली क्या हो गया था, बहुत पहले उन्होंने, दे आर बेसिकली वेरी प्रोफेशनल्स, उन लोग इवन इंटरनेशनली भी है ना, दे आर कंसल्टेंट्स, ओके, प्रॉपर इंजीनियरिंग कंसल्टेंट्स, केमिकल रिलेटेड. तो बोथ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ, ओके, सो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. बट उनका ना जो एक टाइम पे था ना, उनको ना like मसालास, वो बिजनेस करना था. I spoke to them ना, तो मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा हंसी भी आ गया था. तो बोला कि मैडम आप इतना प्रोफेशनल, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स बिजनेस में हो, जहां पर इवन यू आर गिविंग कंसल्टेंसी टू दैट, तो आप मसाले में हाउ डू यू थिंक? Then they said it was my dream that I should do something. So now they can afford to diversify. That is what I'm saying. So passion could be anything. आपका ड्रीम कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो उस पे से भी अगर शुरू करें और बाद में अगर आप और ज्यादा फ्लरिश कर सकते हैं, you can do it. So anything can be possible. आप मसाले में भी, मैं ऐसे लोग, बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ जो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Okay.
There are people, रीपैकिंग वाले भी बहुत हैं, मसाला यहाँ से लाते हैं और रीपैक करके अपना ब्रांडिंग लगा के बेचते हैं. You know it.
Right. Okay.
So there are so many people doing really good, amazing business here.
When it comes to, since we're talking about export, right? Now, when somebody comes and wants to do their own import-export business, so there's a certificate, IEC, right?
Yes.
Import-export certificate. Yeah. So, do you help them get that certificate as well?
See, again, as I said, we don't do it ourselves, but we can channelize them, guide them. Yes. We can assess from where they can get it. So, उतना तो हम करते ही. कोई भी स्कीम, because see, हमारे में क्या होता है ना, सिर्फ NSIC के स्कीम्स ही हम नहीं जानते. हम लोग सभी स्कीम्स में हमको मालूम है कि कौन सा स्कीम कहाँ पर चल रहा है,
Hmm.
तो वो पूरा हमारे पास बुकलेट होता है, विच आई विल शेयर यू ऑल्सो, तो
Absolutely.
वो भी मैं आपको शेयर
Is it
करता
a PDF?
हूँ, या PDF है,
Okay, so
मैं
what I'll
आपको
do is
share
I'll
करता हूँ.
also put it up in my
Yeah,
description so they
प्लीज
can
आई
find
विल
it.
सेंड इट टू यू. ये मेरे ख्याल से 3 साल पुराना है, बट देन 2 द स्कीम्स रनिंग, तो अपडेटेड अगर आ गया तो वो भी मैं आपको भेजूंगा, लेकिन दिस इज व्हाट इज एग्जिस्टिंग.
Hmm.
सब स्कीम्स है MSMEs के, तो ये बहुत काम आएगा.
Hmm.
तो इवन इन ब्रीफ में लिखा भी है क्या क्या स्कीम है
Hmm.
और कौन एलिजिबल है,
Hmm.
तो आई थिंक इट विल मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ
Great. So it
डिफरेंस फॉर
narrows down what they can do and
Absolutely.
how they can
So
do it.
we have overall knowledge about other schemes also, because as I said, we handhold people.
Hmm.
तो वो आएगा तो कुछ लेके जरूर जाएगा. अगर मेरे स्कीम्स में अगर नहीं भी आता है,
Hmm.
तो at the end of the day he will we make sure that he goes to the right person
Hmm.
to get his related
Hmm.
thing done.
So he's being helped from starting to end no matter what
Absolutely.
happens.
I can say that.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're there for him, and
Yes.
again, I'll have to rephrase on this that this is absolutely a free service.
Absolutely free service.
Okay. Tell me about that paperback guy.
Yeah. See, it's very interesting. Actually, you know what? One of our client, he comes under National SCST Hub,
Okay.
under that division, because National SCST Hub is also a part of NSIC venture.
Hmm.
Now, in this, there is one client of ours. He himself mentions that I have come from from a very low background, and now we have assisted them under this bank loan
Hmm.
facility. We call it as credit facilitation, by which we have assisted to get the bank loan, and he got a machine
Hmm.
by which now he's making the paperbacks.
Okay.
Now, but his journey as such was, it's very interesting
Hmm.
because he got a lot of, leg pulling, you can say, leg pulling, because people are यार क्या करेगा, business,
पाएगा, नहीं
कर पाएगा, नहीं कर पाएगा, because he is like, he's called himself as, मैं कचरा उठाने वाला हूँ.
Hmm.
So, he claims that, but then he's a very nice person, humble person, and and he's a highly motivating guy.
Hmm.
He motivates everyone, and that is the reason I'm taking his name also
Hmm.
in this regard. As this, that his name is Mr. Chauhan.
Yeah.
So he's a person who has started his business by doing some research, and he used to come to us, talk to us, take some details, and even we have sent for exhibitions also.
Hmm.
So under which he has taken a lot of assistance through NSIC.
Hmm.
Now he has become a businessman.
Okay. And then
So-
we talk about this paper bag is the person who's the actual paper bag जिसके लिए डिलीवरी होती है.
डिलीवरी होती है, या तो छोटे बैग्स होते हैं
हाँ.
पेपर के, जो ब्राउन कलर के बैग्स होते हैं ना, छोटे वाले, तो वो बैग्स बनाता है.
Hmm.
तो उसमें नाउ he started doing good. His sales is, I think, if last time when I spoke to him, he said that approximately it has gone to around 10 to 15 lakhs above.
Oh.
But 10 to 15 lakhs, it's good.
It's
It started,
absolutely-
at least it
it's definitely
started.
to start,
So
yeah.
it has gone beyond that.
Okay.
So he's very happy for that, because he's growing now.
Hmm.
He's growing, a lot of orders he's getting it.
Hmm.
So he comes and asks if I want to take other benefits also.
Hmm.
So like raw material assistance.
Yeah.
So we will see upon, if it can be interlinked and we can do it, we can definitely help him. So these are the case studies.
Hmm.
Like small guy, becoming
Exactly.
an entrepreneur.
The passion and the
Passion, and
motivation.
he, believe me, he helps others also.
Hmm.
He tells that, why don't you go to NSIC and take the benefit out of it?
Okay.
Even government tenders for that matter.
Hmm.
So for that also he is approached to us.
Wow.
So for that certification, so he's approached for that also, for even the exhibition. Now in this case, exhibitions, while talking about domestic, because I was talking about international exhibition,
Hmm.
but as far as domestic is concerned, we can assist for the SCST category
Okay.
people, so they can also avail for the domestic.
What are those? What is the SCST?
SCST are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe
Okay.
candidates,
Hmm.
by which we provide them this assistance. They can get the, for exhibitions, they also
Hmm.
have the subsidies
Okay.
for that, so they can also avail this benefit.
Oh, wow.
As far as general category is concerned, then we take the file and we send it to the another department.
Okay.
Generally, for general category, we don't have that
Hmm.
for domestic exhibitions,
Hmm.
but we send it to, again, as I said, there are different departments.
Hmm.
We send those files to those
Hmm.
departments.
Hmm.
But end of the day, that person gets the benefit.
Okay.
So this is another scheme which we provide the assistance.
Hmm.
So this guy is really doing good, so
Great.
remarkably good. So even he got me a few clients.
Okay.
Okay, so he said, "Sir, why don't you do it for them?" And they said, "Go and do it."
Right.
So he really helps. He started helping the community also.
Okay.
Plus, there are a lot of people who have come.
Hmm.
So
How did he start? Like, so exactly, you're saying that he comes from a person where he himself says कि मैं कचरा उठाने वाला बंदा हूँ.
yeah.
So being in that category, and then now all of a sudden he's making 10 to 15 lakh rupees,
Yeah.
has his own business, he's an entrepreneur of his own,
Yes, yes.
living the dream, what we call it, right?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
how did he start? Like, what exactly that he had to do to make sure that he can actually get orders, or
what
if
happened-
that's what he wants to do,
True.
how did he get the machine to make those bags?
Actually, I'll just tell you because he's, as I said, he's a smart person.
Yeah.
So he understood. He came to us and he started again the same what you asked. You said कि कौन सा business अच्छा है.
हाँ.
So we funneled it down. You understood. Then it came from his own mouth that sir मेरे को लगता है कि ना मैं देखो बहुत बड़ा तो नहीं कर सकता, but I want to start something small. So it came from his own mouth that paper bag मेरे को लगता है. Then he started doing the market research, market study, and then he pushed his own people. He started going. He said, I still remember. He said that मैं 100 लोगों को तो मिला है. तो उसमें से when he started the business, he got hardly 5 to 6 people. So, but then just see the probability, So at least 100 लोगों को touch किया उसने.
Right.
Before starting the business. तो he evaluated and he understood that इसमें मेरे को मिल सकता है. तो उसने पूरा study कर लिया उसको. करने के बाद then he made a business plan for that. Business plan भी समझ के लेके कैसा करना है क्या करना है वो देखा. एक बार even here he said that he has visited to the machines कैसे operate करता है वो exhibition में भी गया था. देखा उसने कैसे होता है क्या होता है. And based on that he identified the machines and then he approached NSIC also. कि बोला कि हमको लोन दे सकते हैं क्या, because under credit facilitation we have that facility. तो in which we have assisted them to get through the banker.
Okay.
तो banker के through वो लोन आ गया. Now he started doing it. तो उन्होंने जगह ले लिया, रेंट पे लेकर स्टार्ट किया. उन्होंने हमें when inauguration के टाइम पे हमें मेरे GM को और मेरे another colleague who is actually looking into this product, national SCST hub के वो head है. तो अंधेरी में बैठते हैं. तो along with them we visited them and he invited us and ribbon cutting भी मेरे senior से करवाया उन्होंने. So it was such a privilege,
proud moment.
Yeah.
Seeing somebody's life change.
Yes.
Okay, not even sure that he can do a business, and now he's actually prospering in that business,
And
hiring other people.
Absolutely. He's a highly motivated. Even उनको हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब से भी उनको अवार्ड मिला है. तो बिकॉज वो हक से बोलते हैं कि मैं ये इससे आया हूँ. तो उससे क्या होता है, बहुत एक पीपल आर टेकिंग हिम एज एन इवन उनके कलीग्स वो बोलते हैं कि बहुत लोगों को उन्होंने ही चेंज कर दिया. उनके साथ जो काम करने वाले थे उनको भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का चस्का लगा दिया. Absolutely. So we are there, as I said, this is certain case studies for us also. So we are really doing, बहुत काम हो रहा है इसमें, and we really support.
That's great.